Okay. Okay. TikTok was betting with the left lane lost. Do you know Limpy? Hey, if any of the TikTokers y'all know Limpy, they trying to bet whatever. Yeah, they just tell them. I'm on the bet. I just bet 100. Yeah, he want to bet you another one. Okay, hey, you ready? You ready? I'm betting with you, man. You don't have everything? I still got it. I'm betting with you still, man. Okay. Joshua McCarthy from the top. What's up with it, Josh? What's up with it, Joshua? Where you from? Yeah, he don't speak that much English. Huh? Yeah, I got they in the car. They in the car, I'm gonna give you one. I don't got it with me, it's in the car. When you see me pull up in the car, I'm gonna give it to you. Let me see. El Jefe. Okay. We got Retro from the top. What's up with it, Retro? Where you from? Do you know Limpy? Okay, from the Sac. Okay. That means Sacramento, right? Y'all with these new names. Yeah, man, I'm from the Sac. Like I just supposed to know. Hey, man, you know somebody from the Sac? Nah, see, he don't even know nobody from over there. Yeah, he don't even know nobody from the Sac. Okay, we got Philly in the building. Jared Fowler from the top. Look out, look out. All my people, hey! All my people that's watching from TikTok, man. I'm also live on my YouTube channel, Lookout Racing. Yep, that's right, live on Lookout Racing. So if y'all want to watch it in a HD, if y'all want to watch it HD widescreen, y'all come on over here. Also, if you want to watch this Grudge race that I got coming up, y'all come on over here. Let me know when you get over here.
Because he's leaking back down on the side.
He finna spin.
He finna spin.
Nah, he finna spin. Let me take the other side. You want that side? It's Miguel, by the way. Okay, he ready? I'm racing. Okay, bet. Hey, y'all.
Hey, watch it. Hey, watch it spin.
Hey, y'all, here come the race, y'all.
Oh, yeah, look out.
Hey, all my people that's watching on TikTok.
Hey, look out. Let me put 100 in. Look out.
They want to bet. They betting it. Okay, you ready? We running this. Yeah, let's do something. Here we go, y'all. All my people that's on TikTok, y'all head over to my YouTube channel, Lookout Racing. It's about to go down. Look out, look out. Yeah. Y'all check out the YouTube channel. It's called Lookout Racing.
I sent some people to you.
Okay. Boom. Alright. Look out.
You want me to hold it?
Yeah.
Alright, y'all.
Turn off this trash control.
Hey, y'all.
My good shit on.
Look out, we got some voters.
Okay. You ready? Okay. We got everything everything. We got the traction control off, the stability off. Got my pedal shifters. Y'all know how to install the pedal shifters on here.
So the truck, this what we running, y'all. What y'all think? Hey, y'all.
A lot of people coming over from TikTok.
Wait, where YouTube go?
Nah, that's YouTube right there.
Oh.
I probably could be. Let me see. I don't know. I could record that too.
Slide it up, look it up.
I thought that's how it goes.
Girl, you better hold on.
I already know. I already know how this thing goes.
You know it's gonna try to slide back like this when we go. This piece right here.
Alright, I gotta make sure it don't hit me in the face.
Yeah, that's what I'm telling you. Alright, here we go,
Let me
y'all.
get in the seat. Oh Lord. We in the caprice. Granddaddy in this hole. He been doing this all his life.
They ain't get hot enough. Okay. Let me see. Hey, I got some.
We gotta get that sticky pickle.
Yeah, we got that sticky pickle, man.
Sit in the back in the middle where you can speed.
I know how this thing get down. I've been in here before.
Hey, let me get a sticker, man. Whoa, right there.
Who fucking with us? Nobody. They all in your car. How they know there's a sticker in here?
What that dude there? Hey, what that dude? I don't know. Here we go, y'all.
Shit. Oh shit, let me hold it, y'all.
I thought it was a pro tree. Come on, man.
He finna fuck his shit up.
Man.
God damn it. Hi, Lindsay.
I thought we were going on pro tree, man.
He need to come back around.